Welcome back, lock enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about a useful tip for lockpicking. This is in conjunction with Pugs Picks Lock's 100 sub giveaway. Make sure you check out his channel. Please remember that if you suspect that you have any medical conditions, to seek medical advice. All right, now that that's done, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First, let's put on some calming music. Now, carpal tunnel syndrome can be caused by frequent repetitive small movements with the hands or frequent repetitive grasping movements with the hands, along with other things such as bone disease, joint arthritis, hormonal or metabolical changes, changes in your blood sugar, other conditions or injuries of the wrist, and a family history of carpal tunnel. Why is this important to us? Because we are constantly grabbing small items to manipulate locks. So how can we prevent that? First, let's put our hands into a praying position and then pull your hands down so your wrists are level with each other or just beyond level. Once you feel that stretch, hold it there for 10 seconds and release. With your hands flat on the table, do finger stretches. You're going to do this 5 times, holding each finger in place for 3 seconds. Now that we're done with that one, let's do some open and close stretches. Do this 5 times as well. Wiggle your fingers. And now you are ready to get to that annoying lock. It may be easy, it may be hard, but hopefully that will help from having some hand cramps. Today's lock was given to us by a user from Reddit. His name's right there. I'm not going to try to jack that name up. What we have is a beer tap lock. We're going to get our picks and our tension wrench. We are going to be using a half ball today. Go ahead and put that in there and just give it a little rake, wiggle. And as you see, we've gone around twice now. If I were to continue going, the actuator would go up, stopping right about there. If I wanted to take it back down, we would flip our tension wrench. And this repetitive process would be quite annoying. It's not very, what's the word? Satisfying. It's not very satisfying, but not all locks can be that awesome click that you get. Anyways, congrats Pugs Picks Locks for your 100 subs. If you haven't already subbed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon so you can get notified when I upload new videos, and we will catch you in the next one.